The ice is a mountain, the rain is a chain, binding the ghost of the dog to the drain. Bark, the needle is wild, like the lost frantic heart of a chaotic child. The drone is the anchor, the drone is the deep, where the secrets of winter are destined to sleep. The quantize is broken, the rhythm is wrong, a funeral march for the ghost of the song. Kennel is wide with the ghost of the winter nowhere to hide. Yapping or sap, the turntable screams, tearing the light out of static-filled dreams. The scratch is a seizure, the scratch is a sting, tearing the truth from the song that we sing. The grid is a failure, the beat is a lie, watching the logic of the music go dry. The frequencies fray as the pulse of the blizzard begins to decay. Glitch, the blizzard is loud, wrapped in the fold of a noise-ridden cloud. The audio breaks in the heat of the fire that the shivering makes. New footsaw. The robotic code is a story of static that's waiting to be told. It's a glitch-ridden nightmare, a technical cage, writing the truth on a frost-covered page. Sandsaw saw. The texture is rent, a blizzard of data in the silence spent. The speed is a memory, the blizzard is still a monument built to the brake lever's will. La peep and peep, a truncated groan, a voice in the static, a voice in the bone. The machine is a ruin, the robot is cold, the story of digital decay never told. Everything buzzing, everything gray, lost in the smog of the blizzard decay. Faster, glowing, the pitch starts to bend, where the scratching begins and the blizzard must end. Kennel is empty, the needle is still, a monument built to the vinyl man's will. The blizzard has vanished, the static is gone, left in the light of a noise-ridden dawn. Copy.